Welcome back. I'm Kathy and Rachel is not here today. Today I am going to show you how easy it is to make chocolate covered strawberries. They're great for Valentine's Day, they're great for birthdays, anniversaries, any occasion. I was thinking last night we did a dessert for Thanksgiving, Christmas, we did food for Super Bowl, but we did not talk about Valentine's Day. I don't know if Rachel and I are anti-Valentine's Day, I don't know. Me, I do get my kids something, but I don't know. I think if you love someone, you should tell them every day. You don't need a special day to do that. But if you like Valentine's Day and you want to give your special someone a nice treat, and I guess that's my problem with Valentine's Day is everything is just like overpriced. I'm a rather kind of thrifty. If you've been watching at all, you probably know that. But so I just know how easy these are to make. I've made them hundreds of times and they're super easy to make, and they're cheap and people love them. So why, go to the store and spend a ridiculous amount of money for something you can do yourself? And it also shows that you put a little effort into the gift too, instead of just going to the store. So you'll need strawberries. I like to buy the Ghirardelli chips. You can use whatever kind you like. Just get them in the baking aisle. I use the semi-sweet. These come in chocolate, or they come in milk chocolate and in dark, so whatever you like to use. And then I did get the classic white. I'm not even dealing with pastry bags, just use the Ziploc bags. They work perfectly fine. So here we go. Okay, first you want to rinse your strawberries. You can just put them out on a cookie sheet with paper towels, and then you're going to pat them dry. You want to make sure they're dry because the water gets into your chocolate. It's just going to seize up the chocolate, and that's not good. With the chocolate, you want to be very careful not to, I'm going to put this in the microwave. You can do a double boiler if you want, but I prefer just doing it in the microwave. I would start with maybe a minute on half power, then stir it, and then go every 30 seconds. I've seen some people use toothpicks. You could toothpick. Still want to get the green back, the leaves. And when you dip it, you just want to see if, so I gotta hold it there. I find the toothpick is just kind of in the way. Just gonna shake it off. And there. And just lie down. Yeah, I don't like the toothpick. Just dip it and kind of just go around. While you're waiting on those to dry, you can melt some of the white. You don't need this much. You're just going to drizzle this over the chocolate, so it's probably good. So the same thing. This I would probably start out on 45 seconds on half power. Okay, so you have your sandwich bag. You take a glass, just kind of wrap it around. Pour in your chocolate. Maybe I might need more. You will see. So, and then you could close it up if you wanted. And get the air out. Or you can just twist it. Just twist it. I don't want too big a hole. Just drizzle it over it. Just back and forth. that's all there is to it. I did put these on a cookie sheet just so I could put them in the refrigerator for just a minute to set up. You can keep these out for several hours, and then they'll keep in the refrigerator for a few days. If you want to do a cute way to give them as a gift, I have a box, a cheap box I got at Walmart where it was under $3, or a little tray, heart tray, cute, and that was 98 cents. And I bought these little wrappers. I bought all this stuff at Walmart. You could buy some cups with the hearts printed on them, or red ones, or whatever you like. Okay, another option, if you have a little box like this, just get some tissue paper. I have a nice bed for them. Okay, so you can see how super simple it was. So if you want to do it on the tray or in a nice box. So there was 16 strawberries. I actually did 17. And of course, all the strawberries are going to be different sizes, but that's okay. They still taste delicious and look super cute. Super easy. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I'll be happy to help you. I'll chocolate all of my food. So whether you love Valentine's Day, hate Valentine's Day, these are good anytime. Great for a gift anytime. I figured these cost under $10. Obviously prices vary different places, but these cost me like around $8 including the box. So I think that was a pretty awesome deal. And I wish Rachel was here to have some of these, and hopefully you will make these for someone you love and they will definitely love you. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications when we post new videos. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.